शॉक हो गया, पता है सबा मेरी इतनी तारीफ नहीं करती जितनी आज कर रही है। शिट, ये नहीं कहना था क्या? शिट यार, मेरे बारे में कोई कुछ लिख ही नहीं रहा है यार। मैंने तो काम वाम अच्छा किया, तारीफ आज हो रही है, कोई लिख क्यों नहीं रहा है? She whacked me, dude.
Poor thing.
Whacked me. I'm like some बंटी है।
Bunty.
तेरा Let's go.
Okay, I'm in conversation.
Oh, sorry. That's
okay.
Sorry.
I'm in conversation with two investigative journalists who are acting like kids right now, and I'm loving that. So please welcome Sabah Azad and Saqib Salim to Filmfare. Welcome to Filmfare.
Hi, how are
Hi,
you?
thank you.
I'm good. How are you?
Great.
I'm alive and kicking.
Okay, how are the promotions going?
Good.
Fantastic.
Really?
Yes.
Okay.
She doesn't believe. She's like,
She doesn't
oh,
believe.
for
Really?
real?
हैं? तुम
Because
शक्ल
that
से
was
तो बहुत
serious.
बोर्ड लग रहे हो तुम।
Are you for real?
I've been told to smile.
Right. Yeah.
Say, what is your question?
Okay. Woo.
Yeah. Moving on.
Moving on. So, congratulations
Thank you.
on Crime Beat.
Thank
It's
you.
a brilliant show. I've watched it.
Oh wow.
You watched all of it.
I've
Amazing.
watched all of it.
Wow.
Oh wow.
I got
okay.
the screeners yesterday.
Hey.
Oh
I
wow.
watched all of it.
Someone was up
Oh.
all night.
Yeah.
Well done.
This
boss.
will be our best interview. Let me tell you that
Yeah,
now.
now we'll
Come
have
on,
fun.
ask the question
Now we'll have fun.
Come on.
No, really. I really wanted to ask you, what was that trigger for you to say yes to this project firstly?
The book, the script,
Yeah. Have you
Sudhir
read the
Mishra, Saqib Salim.
Have you read the book?
Yes.
So cute, yaar. She took my
cute,
name, yaar. So cute.
So cute, yeah.
That was a moment, yeah.
मैं शॉक हो गया, पता है सबा मेरी इतनी तारीफ नहीं करती जितनी आज कर रही है।
I'm
आज मैं
beaten up.
बहुत खुश हूँ।
And what about you?
Sudhir Mishra, Sabah Azad, the script, Z5 the platform. I have a great relationship with them. I made my digital debut with them with Rangbaz. So this is my fourth thing with them.
Wow.
So yeah,
Fourth,
just all these factors put together, and the fact they were telling me we were shooting in Delhi, where I could be close to my parents,
For me too,
and
that
they
was
paid
good.
me a lot of money.
Yeah.
And yeah, they paid me a lot of money, so I
Well
thought
done, you.
might as well do it. Shit, ये नहीं कहना था क्या? Shit. नहीं कुछ नहीं, फ्री में कराया इन्होंने शो, पता है अभी तक मेरी पेमेंट ड्यू है। अच्छा ये भी नहीं बोलना।
पैसे तो मिलेंगे, सबको पता है.
पैसे मिल गए यार, they're nice people यार,
Amazing.
ऐसा नहीं है यार। हाँ।
Okay. So how was it shooting in Delhi though? Like
Very cold.
Like going home.
If I was a fly in the wall, what
Yes.
would I notice on the sets basically?
Chaos.
Frozen
Really?
people.
Madness.
Frozen people.
Yeah, it was very cold.
It was cold.
It was very
Okay.
cold. We
But
shot
a
in
lot
this-
of banter and happy faces because winter and home. So
Yeah.
both
and
of us.
a
Both
lot
of us
of
are
chaos.
from
I
Delhi,
mean,
so.
because we worked with this genius of a filmmaker called Sudhir Mishra,
Legendary
I know,
Sudhir
I
Mishra.
know.
and he just
Incredible.
is younger at heart than both of us put together.
Agreed.
He was just like he was on the
Energizer
ball.
bunny.
He would never sit
Really?
on a set.
Yeah.
He was either designing how the camera should move or designing how a performance should be. So just getting to interact with him was one of the highlights for me on the show.
Same.
So he's not as strict as
Strict.
He's kind
He's
of
the furthest thing from
he's-
strict.
He's the
Not
most chilled
really?
out man you'll come
He's
across.
so chill out. He knows his vision, but he also trusts his actors. So he's cast people for that reason. So he's like,
No, initially I was intimidated by him.
Of
Very
course.
intimidated by him because I'd
Anyone would be.
only met him at film screenings or parties where your conversation doesn't go further than "Hi sir, how are you?
Correct.
Yeah.
So nice to meet you."
correct.
And then I got a call from him saying, "Hey Saqib, I want to work with you." I'm like, "Sir, are you sure you've called us right guy?" Because in all my other interactions, he had never said that. So and when I met him, hung out with him, I realized, yeah, he's a really chill out man.
Yeah.
He really wants to enjoy what he's doing. He doesn't make it regimental. He makes it, but there is a definite, beautiful, chaotic process that he takes you through.
Yeah.
And as an actor, he gets you to knock on different doors and try and find out if you can give him something else. So I really enjoyed myself working with him. And with Sanjeev, who's the other director on the show.
Okay. So Abhishek is a very headstrong personality.
Ji.
Are you like that in real life?
What do you think?
Have you seen him? Have you seen Exhibit A?
What do you think? What do you think, Filmfare? तुम बताओ क्या लगता है
हम
इतने
क्यों
साल
बताएं,
से
ये तो हमारा इंटरव्यू नहीं
इतने साल से मेरे इंटरव्यू छाप रहे हो, क्या लगता है तुम्हें मेरे बारे में? But no, I think I'm opinionated for
I don't
sure.
think he's headstrong.
Okay.
I'm opinionated, but I don't try and shove my opinion down anybody's throat.
Correct.
I just tell people what my opinion is, and I don't shy away from it.
But would you go to great ends to kind of get the job done? Like,
No, if I'm very passionate about that, 100%. But otherwise, I'd just let the people know if they're seeking my advice.
Right.
If somebody is seeking my advice, I'd let them know what I think about it.
Hmm.
But no, I won't go to like any length to completely change it if the other people involved in it don't want that.
okay. Like I said, I've watched the show and I'm going to ask some questions about the show, which is going to come after it is released, of course.
Sure.
So, no spoilers.
So, what is your favorite thing about the show?
ये आपका इंटरव्यू है
हाँ,
आपको
आपने
पता
पूरा
नहीं है
शो
अभी?
देखा है यार अब
आपको
तो
पता नहीं है
ये
अभी?
रिकॉर्ड
ये
करो आप
actually
फिल्म
मेरा
फेयर का
है।
रिव्यू आज ही निकलवाना है हाँ फिल्म फेयर का रिव्यू
ये एक्चुअली मेरा इंटरव्यू लग ही रहा है मुझे. But yeah, I actually liked the show. I loved certain bits like it was very well structured, I felt. It was very well structured. And I actually wanted to ask you, towards the end, when you find out the twist about your character, what was the reaction? What was your reaction when you read the script? Ki, huh, what is this?
I was delighted because I mean the more shades you add to a character,
Yeah.
the more fun it
Yeah.
is.
Yeah.
You know, so I'm not in the business to play only. I would love to play morally scrupulous characters, you know, and I think I love it when the lines of morality get blurred for a character who starts off with a very centered moral compass. So I love that she was in a place of like, now what, you know?
What's next? Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. I enjoyed that.
What and talking about what's next? Is a season 2 coming?
Is this season
Do you
2 coming?
think
Is this?
you
Is
can
it?
tell
Is
me?
it? Is it? Is it?
You would want to watch it?
Do you want to watch the season 2?
I would want.
Why
know,
don't
I
you
finished
why don't you
this-
look into that camera?
Why, yes, right
Look
there.
into that camera
Say hi,
and
I'm from
say,
Filmfare and I'd
I
love to
want
watch.
season 2.
I
Oi,
want
record this
season
guys,
two.
record
Guys,
this.
you're
This is
getting
a
this
Filmfare
right.
review. Say it.
Okay,
say it.
Oh
Get-
my god!
Say
Come on, do it. You can do it.
Actually putting me in the position, but okay, I really want a season 2. I
There
watched
will
it.
be a season 2 only
Now
because you want
said
it.
it.
Amazing. This is a Filmfare exclusive, guys. But yeah, that's what. And talking about your characters and you're playing investigative journalists, we kind of see a lot of these investigative journalists nowadays. You know, there's also one line that in the show that in the there's no place for investigative journalism in India. What are your thoughts on it as Saqib and as Sabah? And also, did you kind of take inspiration from any investigative journalist in real life for your characters?
It's based on a book.
I know.
The
Yeah.
price you pay, and I'm playing the author.
Okay.
Somnath.
Okay.
So I had great material. I had access to Somnath. I had.
Who's a real gem, like a wonderful
He's a
person.
lovely,
Yeah.
lovely man.
Yeah.
So got to spend a lot of time with
Oh,
him.
he was on the sets also.
He came
he
to
came
set
on
when
sets.
when we were doing India Gate. That India
but
Gate,
he
section
stays
there.
in London, if
He's
I'm
in
not
London,
wrong.
yeah. I met him when I
So-
was there last. It was
So
wonderful.
did a few phone calls, a Zoom call, just to understand that why it written it this way and that. And then you had like great people working on the show, whether it's Sudhir Bhai,
Yeah.
whether it is Sanjeev.
Yeah.
It was very comfortable. So I didn't look outward. I tried to find something inward. And yeah, that was the goal. Just to not make a cardboard character, make it a 3D living being and have vulnerabilities and insecurities come out. And yeah, that's how I played it.
Could you feel the pressures of investigative journalism while you were playing this character? Like, was it that real for you?
Matlab, you try and make it as real as you can for you. So in some scenes, as an actor I'm talking about, in some scenes you hit the right note and you feel very good.
What were those scenes for you?
But you tell me, you've seen the show.
But this is your interview.
I don't know, man.
Oh my
but
God.
no, I'm talking in a general space that there's certain
Right.
scenes as an actor you do
Right.
realize that you've gotten into the headspace, but there's certain scenes that you however hard you try, you sometimes can't scratch underneath the surface. You just at the surface level. So it's always that for me. But because I feel like the material was so good,
I think the world was created really well for us, you know.
Right.
so
It
we
was
just
already
had to
so
go there and
rich.
we were look at the cast put together, a
I
great
mean,
ensemble of
amazing.
actors. So we
So
just had to play off one another. And more than me being an investigative journalist, I felt like everybody else was so much in their characters. So it was just easy. I just had to do my job. Sometimes when you're doing an ensemble and you have so many actors, you're always looking at other actors, acha, what that person is doing.
Right.
But everybody was so much in sync, everybody was having so much fun, and it was just done with Sudhir Mishra heading it. So it just felt right, and you just go ahead and do it and believe in the material and the maker, and you don't question things.
Okay.
That's
What
how I
about
did
you?
it.
Okay, amazing. What about you, sir?
Exactly that. I think the world was built really well around us.
Yeah.
And at the end of the day, it was the human being, the character itself that we were kind of dwelling into, right?
Yeah.
The world around it, of course, was there, but what was going on inside the person, that was, the character itself. Right? Now, that could have been placed into any other profession as well. The moral dilemmas would continue to be the same.
I agree.
So I think emotionally to reach into those parts of the character, I didn't have to be a journalist to do it. Or I didn't have to go out and be like, let me sit with my journalist friends and find out. I did have the opportunity as a child to be surrounded by journalists.
Okay.
Yeah, my parents' friends. And
Okay.
so it wasn't like I wasn't in newsrooms, but I knew my own friends, some of them are journalists. So I'm not unfamiliar with their jobs and the pressures of their jobs. But at the end of the day, whatever job you place any human being in, they'll have their own, set of complications. And so I think Somnath built such a rich world
Yeah.
in his book. And I got to talk to him about his experience as an investigative journalist, and it just blew my mind. It blew my mind, the things he has done, the people he has met, and we don't really especially print.
Yeah.
We don't get to hear about like print journalism as much as say people having shouting matches on television. So I think this was delightful that we got to meet the author and talk to him as well. So yeah, I think the book itself, the script itself was very well informed. So we didn't have to go like outwardly looking for more information. We had to tap inward
Right.
for authentically kind of translating the story.
Also, you're not playing the profession, you're playing a human being.
Yeah.
And he happens to be a journalist. He could have been a cop, he could have been,
There's a cop in there too.
he could be a gangster, but what
a
you got
gangster in there
to
too.
what you got to do is the fact that you have to play a human being.
Yeah.
Correct.
And that guy happens to be a journalist. Of course,
Correct.
we had people on set just making sure that what the terminology for everything is in the journalism world. But what I think what me and Sabah are trying to say is that we had to find this guy within first, this person inside, and
And then it was placed on the wall of journalism.
journalism.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What was the most challenging scene for you, though, as Abhishek? And of course, as Maya as well.
Well, the challenging scenes were because we'd shot for the most of the show in Delhi, and there was some bit we had to cheat in Bombay, and it was
Ooh.
unbearably hot in Bombay.
It was
But
beautiful.
we
It
had
was
to pretend like it was freezing cold.
And we were wearing sweaters.
And we were
all.
wearing
It's
sweaters
delightful.
and inners and jackets because you see different layers.
Yeah.
When we've
Yeah.
seen, when we've shot the earlier scene in Delhi and now we have to shoot it here. So yeah, just the physical conditions to shoot this were at certain places really, really tough.
My internal thermostat was
Yeah,
very
it was about
confused.
45 degrees. We were wearing these like jackets
Sweaters
and
and all.
sweaters.
Yeah,
and
the weather change from Delhi to Bombay would be crazy.
Oh.
Wild, wild, wild.
that trust me, that was the most difficult part. Otherwise,
hope
the
you did
show's been a
fall sick.
breeze. To shoot the show with the people involved has been a breeze for me.
I have to talk about this one scene. Again, this is going after its release. So, but I have to talk about this scene where you guys fight in makeup.
Yeah.
Basically. What was the brief given for that scene? That was like, "Arey, ye kya ho raha hai?" Oh my god.
ब्रीफ तो सबा ने दी थी भाई सबा बताएगी क्या हुआ
I
हाँ
am
Brief
intrigued.
मैंने नहीं दी थी. No, we discussed that scene a lot actually.
Okay.
And from our discussions, that scene was born. It was
Oh.
there. The meat of the scene was there, and then we spoke about how
we can physically play it
how
out.
can we physically play it out, and how interesting it would be to convert a fight into like a moment of sexual tension. So, and I think sometimes anger translates in weird ways, So, and I just thought that was a really interesting, unexplored emotion. and unexplored kind of how do you say I don't know, like a character's journey, or I don't know,
Okay.
just an emotion that's not been explored on cinema, at least thus far. So-
I kept telling Sabha, I'm like, slap me, na. She was being very careful.
No, then
It's
I
like-
did.
Was that a real
And
slap?
then
Oh, then I
she
did.
whacked me, dude.
Poor thing.
Whacked me. I'm like,
And
Sabha,
then
I
I
just told
did.
you to slap me, not whack my face.
That
I
actually looked
did.
quite real, but
Yeah.
It
okay.
was real.
Yeah,
it was real.
We,
It was real.
yeah.
No, it was like I was just going tuk tuk and he's like, ढंग से मारना. I was like, okay.
I'm like, गुस्सा नहीं आ रहा है मुझे, ढंग से मारना है.
And
she
then
whacked me,
I
dude.
went for it. Then
And
his
then
poor
बहुत
face.
गुस्सा आया मुझे, बहुत तेज पड़ा था. हाँ.
Yeah, it's good.
Okay.
Yeah.
Also, like, we see a lot of discussions about PR and propaganda in the show, rightly so,
Yes.
because it was being shown in a negative light. But as actors, what do you think about it? What do you think about PR, and what is your relationship basically with PR?
I don't
Okay.
have PR, so
Ah,
yeah.
I do have a publicist, but that also came into my life after 5 years of being in the industry.
Yeah.
And I'm like, यार मेरे बारे में कोई कुछ लिख ही नहीं रहा है यार. मैंने तो काम वाम अच्छा किया, तारीफ वारीफ हो रही है, कोई लिख क्यों नहीं रहा है. मैं जर्नलिस्ट को खुद ही फोन करता था, हाई, you want to do an interview? We'll call you. We'll
You
call
are
you.
doing PR basically.
So then
Yeah,
somebody
upright
told
PR.
me that अरे there's something called a publicist. You've
yeah.
got to hire. I'm like, वो क्या होते हैं? Then they explained the whole process to me. You hire people, you
Yeah.
pay them to get stuff written about you. And I was shocked for the first time. I'm like, oh, I have to pay for people writing about me. I come from Delhi, right? My father told me, बेटा तुम काम अच्छा करो, लोग तुम्हारे बारे में बात करेंगे.
Yeah.
मैं 21 साल का था जब मैंने डेब्यू किया. तब ये कोई सोशल मीडिया इतना बड़ा नहीं था, बट इतना बड़ा नहीं था. ये
was
मीम
Facebook
गेम
time
नहीं
at that
थी,
time.
ये मीम गेम नहीं थी, ये एम्पलीफिकेशंस नहीं थे,
Yeah.
Influencers नहीं थे.
इन्फ्लुएंसर्स नहीं थे, कुछ नहीं था.
Yeah.
So I came from a time where they told me कि your film, do your film, it'll get reviewed well, people will come want to talk to you. So when I realized people are not coming to talk to me even after being appreciated for the work I was
Yeah.
doing,
Yeah.
is then when I was realized, oh, you need a PR. But I always feel that of course to each their own, but एक सेंस ऑफ मिस्ट्री होनी चाहिए यार एक्टर के बारे में. अगर मुझे सब कुछ इस एक्टर के बारे में पता है तो आई डोंट नो मैं उसके बारे में कितने दिन इंटरेस्टेड रहूंगा.
But that's the world of social media, right?
No, the other side of it is, arey, you should be relatable to people. You should feel like you are one of them.
Accessible.
Great accessibility.
Yeah.
But I feel like हल्का मिस्ट्री होना चाहिए एक्टर के बारे में यार. Like I really am excited when Ranbir Kapoor's film is coming, for instance.
Because he's not on social media.
Because he's not, I don't know what he's doing throughout. I want to see his work. But if I'm going to be seeing you do the same thing on Instagram and then doing the same
Then
thing,
you'll wait for it to come on an OTT platform and watch it.
yeah, then I would be like, हाँ मैं देखता हूँ ना, आने दे इसको release के बाद. So I feel like there's a fine line that we all actors and people who have a certain influence have to tread. And yeah, sometimes you cross that line and you overdo things. Sometimes you underdo things. But I am of a belief that at least try and put out good work out there, that sooner or later somebody will start backing you and being like, अरे ये अच्छा है यार, इसके बारे में बात क्यों नहीं हो रही है? One should be talking about this. And we've seen enough examples over the years. It's taken people like somebody as good as Jaideep Alawar took so many years for
What a
people to
legend.
sit
He's
back and be
incredible.
like, he's
incredible.
special.
Yeah.
Correct.
Agreed.
But it took so many years. He was in the first gangs. He plays Manoj Bajpayee's father. He plays Ranbir Kapoor's brother in Rockstar. He's done those parts and nobody cared.
A
And
lot of people don't even know about those roles.
so he did no PR.
Yeah.
He just kept working hard, and then something just
Clicked.
and it broke the internet, and then he's now considered one of the finest we have. So yes, there are actors who've had their PR game strong and they've reached where they have because of that. But then there are the other examples also that who've stuck out, just trying to do quality work, find the best thing, and then believing in their audiences that they will watch it and they will appreciate it. So I'd rather take the latter route. It's far more satisfying as an artist, I feel.
Right. Absolutely. What about you, Saba?
Yeah, I agree. I feel like there's a whole sea of people who don't actually do PR and are continuing to do great work. And so there's another world that, you know, everyone doesn't need to rely on publicity to get work. And I don't know how much of that actually translates to work. Yes, of course, staying in public memory is important for other reasons. People want endorsements, people want other stuff as well. And that comes with, you know, social media followers and other such things. So, understandable if someone needs PR, and also totally understandable if someone doesn't want it. And you know,
To
if you're
each their own.
and also sometimes people are private. People are introverts, and people actually just want to go to set, do their work, go back home, and not be chased after on the road.
Yeah.
Are you one of them?
Yes,
You are.
not everyone wants to be a star. Some people
Okay.
just want to be actors, and some of us are like theater actors. You know, Hamara.
So well said, actually.
Yeah.
That's amazing. Yeah.
And so those of us who want to do that, and the others must chase what they're after. And if fame and stardom is what it is, and then yes, absolutely go ahead and do that, and nothing wrong with any of it. But for me, I'm quite happy just getting good work. That's a struggle right now. Honestly, if I were entirely honest, I'd love you know, more scripts that challenge me. Thank God for this one. And I would, I'm really looking forward to more good scripts coming my way. Yeah.
I also love the way you shut down trolls, though. Like, oh my God.
She's a boss lady.
Boss lady.
Hey.
Like, okay, she did that. And it's amazing. But I really wanted to ask you, do you still think that India has to progress a lot in terms of accepting an actress and her ambitions?
I think in general, it's never been easy for women, whether it's India or anywhere else in the world.
Right.
And it's, you know, the odds are stacked against women at all times. They're being judged for how they look, for what they do, how they speak, how they walk. Are they married? Are they unmarried? Do they have a kid? Do they not have a kid? Everything a woman does is judged, right? So I think the world has a long way to go before we can. I mean, look at the West right now. They're fighting over. Come on, I mean, it's the most bizarre thing that, you know, abortion rights are
Oh
being.
my God.
Yeah, it's the most bizarre thing. You can't,
bizarre.
like, a woman's body. A woman doesn't have agency over her own body. So we're actually going backwards. So yes, the odds are stacked against women, and India and the world has a long way to go. And I wouldn't say, I think we're regressing, and that's tragic. So yeah, women do have to do a lot of extra heavy lifting to be able to take to be able to be taken seriously, or we're still fighting for equal pay. That we're so far away from it. Yeah, so
And kudos to us. I mean, we are fighting every day for it.
yeah.
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 Okay. Those were actually all my questions. Thank you so much for chatting with me.
Ended
on
I
that
wish we
note.
could just continue the conversation.
Thank you.
Like
Thank
on and
you.
on. But thank you so much for
Thank you
chatting.
for watching the whole thing, man.
I
We're so
did, I
delighted
did.
that you
I
actually
was
did your
like,
homework.
I
That's
will
fantastic.
obviously do that. I mean, I'm
I'm-
speaking to you guys
Hey,
always.
man.
So sweet of you.
Thanks so
Thank you
much,
so
man.
much. It
Thank
was
you.
lovely chatting with you.
Thank you so much.
See you.
Bye, bye.